So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stream. Are we even live? I don't even know if we're live. Are we live?
So I told Chris about it anyway.
Are we
So I
live?
didn't know that. I know all these. If I saw these things on
Ladies and gentlemen, are we
social media,
live?
probably all their own videos. I don't really take it very
Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Okay, we are live. Ooh. All right. All right. So. There's a bit of latency with the network, but we can keep it going. Um, anyways, welcome to the stream. Hopefully, my PC will behave. Yeah. I think we can shut our chat as long as we're still streaming. As long as we're still streaming. Alright, so I'm about to. Alright. So, welcome to the stream, guys. Right now, I'm just trying to possibly do this for the first time, but hopefully everything goes well. So currently I'm working on my Saas product, which is a financial app. It's more or less like an accounting app for a specific kind of industry. But right now we are just revamping some stuff on the website, ensuring things look good, things look nice, because we need to launch. We need to start running up some advertisements on it very shortly. So I just want to give you a brief look into what it looks like right now. So focus on keeping your records and stuff. It's a template. I'm just editing this template in this video. So I have a bit of work to do, but I just want to just use this medium to just possibly, run you through the process. If you have a template, how to edit it. So I might not be doing much talking, but we'll just keep the stream going. Alright guys, so with that being said, I hope you'll have a good time. I don't know if this will happen in real time, but once the broadcast ends, you'll see the stream on the YouTube, so you can always watch it back later. Alright, so let's edit. So right now I have a plan here. I'm just walking through my plan. I wish I could show it to you, but I'll try to figure out that in subsequent videos. But currently right now I have a bunch of things I'm trying to achieve right now. I can definitely. I'm just trying to see if the stream is going good, but nonetheless. All right. So I have the hero section, which is like more or less telling the user, okay, this is what the app is about. This is what we are, what you get, so they can read on. So I have that. I'm trying to run up like some other parts of the page. I watched the stream yesterday where they did go through, developing the landing page. So I just felt like, okay, I should just put that knowledge in and before we start advertisement. So if anyone is interested in this kind of stuff, you could let me know. We'll do this more often if that's something you're interested in. So nonetheless, guys, so enough talking, let's just keep working. Right. So I have this section, I have to walk through a bunch of stuff. I don't know if I will display everything inside of this stream, but let's see as it goes. So head up to my environment and I can continue working. Okay, so there are two sections of the page. One is, I would say two sections of the page. There are two parts here. One really is just for you to tell you, okay, the user that this is what, like, more like it's called pain, like problem, agitate, solution. So you're just telling, okay, this is what you used to do before, but this is the better solution that we have going on right now. So that's just what I'm trying to do in this section here. But once I'm done developing, we'll get a much more better visual of what it is. Yeah, so okay. So all right, so this should give something in the lines of what I want. um, Refresh this page. Hopefully things are not too slow when I'm streaming, but we'll try different setups. Hopefully this streaming thing, I get to like it, you guys get to like it too. Currently I'm just there's no one watching, but nonetheless, better days ahead. Mhm. All right, so let's see. All right, great. So all the things that we need to be showing that you're wasting your time and stuff is, actually showing up nicely. Although some of them are actually long, but I might just reduce them to just three. We're supposed to have some title as well. So all right, can drop off some of them. Since I already have that, I think I'll just drop that one. Then do that. So it's for me now to have the sections I want here. display here. Okay, guys. I think I really like this streaming stuff, so try to do it more often. Um, might be a bit data intensive, but think I think I like it. Well, let's grow my stuff nonetheless. So there are two colors. One of them is pink, and I need this other section to be green, so that it it matches what I'm trying to the aesthetic I'm trying to get with it. But I will just go ahead and put in the style. And let me just see what that looks like. I know it will look pretty bad, but color, okay, should be background color. All right, looks good. So there's this distinction. So tired of the manual work for your daily contribution business, because that's the industry you're working in. So yeah, that looks solid. Um, so the other bunch of sections of the app that of this particular page that needs to be worked on. For instance, we need more images here, but I'm still in development with those, so we'll see how that goes, by the way. But for now, I can just put in the content that I need. Then we can always sort out the other boring parts. So right now, I'm just going to focus on cleaning up this stuff, get the structure that I need, because what I need is just going to run it through. I need the hero section, then I need that problem agitation section, which I have done right here. Okay, let's see what it looks like on even desktop mode though. Yeah, but you might see I'm focusing on the mobile app screen mainly, really just because I know that my customers really, I'm trying to get them targeted on the mobile phone, so I need to optimize that to make sure it looks good, so that I know the desktop would look pretty normal, pretty okay. Okay, and I just do need to do some little bit of work here and there. Okay, let's just do that right now. Then it's just mainly based on the size of the column. So I'll put that 6, put that 6 as well. Yeah, so it should make it pretty wide. Makes sense. Yeah, things might be slow, guys. My PC is like crying right now. Alright, so that's alright. So the other sections we need to work on. So the next major thing, I will need to add some social proof. Then I think I'll take out this section right here. We'll put up the social proof. Then we'll have the section where we have the features. So this is where we'll show up all the features of the app. Then I will need to have a section for demo video. And then the pricing table. The pricing tables have one there, so I need to organize it in that fashion. Then some more social proof, frequently asked questions. I don't have any of that on the page right now. then more social proof, then get app call to action, which is this call to action here. So I'll need to add that somewhere down below. I need to organize stuff a bit. I'll see how far I can get in on this stream. If God helping, we can get past at least some of this work in this video. That would be cool. So I just keep going with that. A little bit. Let me just monitor how much data I have, so we don't just die on the stream. Okay, not too bad. So, all right. So the next major section, I would have places where I put this social proof, but I just want to just tidy up a bunch of this section. So I will need to rename this to problem agitate solution and solution. So I would create some space there, copy this. Yeah, I wish you guys could see my face, but currently right now, if I just turn on that, my PC will just die on me. So better days ahead, better days ahead. So with that, we have a bunch of work to do. So the next major thing is the features. I'm just trying to follow up the structure that I have going on here. I will do a bunch of removing of stuff later on, but I want to just have the things that I need all laid down. So I can't find that section right now. Okay, yeah, that will be the thing. That is the services tab. This is not a template I wrote, so but I need to rename some stuff. Okay, so why choose us? Alright. Okay, so I would touch up on the copy a bit later on, but right now I want to just focus on the apps itself. So on the product features. So right now, what am I really looking at? And I see that the images change, but I'm trying to understand at what point do the images change. So let's go back to the templates. We have optimal choice, right? It changes up an image. So what image is this? SVG. Let me see whether I can get the image. Okay, I can't get that image. Okay, no big deal. Okay, that's icon. But the thing now I want to know is, since we have the icon, I want to know how this image, where this image comes from. But without wasting time, then let me just focus on just changing up the titles. Okay, so I'll just type this as create records in seconds. Sorry, I didn't mean that to rhyme, but something like that. All right, so I'll just say easily create records for your users or to top up their wallet amounts. Okay, so the thing I'm still looking for is that image that changes. Okay, so I think I've seen them, which is this section right here. So, but they're all bearing the same image. Pretty understandable. Nonetheless, we can always work around that. Laptop is not charging. Quick second, guys. Okay. Okay. So, alright. Easily create record for users. What the balance is. Then, okay. So, have view customer balances in a glance. So we have that. Then we have also this this section where we want to change that up to so we have that section. Then last one, which is more or less saying total wallet value in a glance. So I just say have everything. So I just say all balances at a glance. Something like that. The copy can always change down the line. So right now I just want to just ensure everything is in place and looking the way I want it to. I'm not just focusing on perfection right now. I just want to ensure all things are there and structured in this particular video. Then we can go on to other things in the future. Let's see if we are still streaming. Yeah. So we are still streaming. So yeah. So create record in seconds, viewer balances, blah blah blah. Alright. Okay. So major thing now is to put in all the images so that at least we see them. Alright, now let me just keep on focusing on structure. To take out that section right there now. know some people will see this page and be like, I'm breaking every rule possible. Why am I changing the structure? Um, the honest truth is, I'm trying to see what works. People have seen this structure, in many websites. So I'm like, okay, if this is what people are using, why should I break? Why should I do otherwise? But it's always nice to always change your opinion from time to time. So it's not like keep your opinion set in stone or anything. Okay, guys. So the features. Then I'm supposed to have like a demo video section. I did have like a note where I wrote down all the things that I need, right? Let me possibly open up my Notion. Yep, Notion. All right. You know what? I'll just open Notion on my phone. Let's just focus on stuff, but I'll just do what I want to do just right here one time. Then because what I'm just so that you guys understand what I'm talking about. So what I mean is I wrote down because there are sections of the pages that I looked at right earlier. I said okay, each section has different components in different templates, right? So this particular one I'm working on, there are other like many more templates. So it's just a matter of me now going in there and editing them. So just also picking out the ones that I need. So as you can see, there are a few of them. So I'm just trying to pull out that document. Oh, you know what? It's been on my Google Docs though. Here. So most of the information I'm pulling out for you guys here is really from this document. So I actually yesterday during the whole training I was talking about, I did go through all the different sections I needed for the website, so on and so forth. So these are all the structures I'm talking about. So the hero has the headlines, subheadlines, description. So I wrote a bunch of them. I also did the section we're talking about the problem, agitate, solution, then the features. So it's more or less going down to the pricing, then frequently asked questions, others. So like I said, on the landing page, there are other sections I wanted. So there's supposed to be like a YouTube video section of the page, like the demo of the app. So I saw that on index 9. So switch on to index 9. So yeah, typically I'm supposed to open up. Let me open up the index 9 page so that we see what we are looking at. Because there is a section where you have like a video on that page. So I just want to get that place alone. Each section has different components and different templates, right? So this particular one I'm working on, there are other so it's just a matter of now going there. Okay, so the page has loaded. Alright. Yeah, so is this section here. So let me see how much of it I can actually take. Okay. So it is on worldwide happy customer. So worldwide happy customer. Okay. So I have to take this whole section, then work on it. So I'll just take up the whole comment, everything, then edit it according to the way I want it. Then I go here, pretty much the solution, product features, this testimonial page I will need it too, but let's just put in that okay. So I will go ahead and edit this. Okay, so there are a bunch of this stuff I don't need. So although I would want to put the embed for the video here, but right now let me just see what it looks like, just have a quick overview. So I can close this particular page since I don't need it. I'll go back to the one I'm using. Any day now. But I will actually try to get my desktop back, set up so that at least the whole experience can be a bit faster. Primarily, I want to see what this looks like on mobile though. I don't really care too much what it's like on desktop, but mobile is very important for me. Okay guys, so let me try to reduce as much of my involvement in this video. I'll just be somewhere down here. Hopefully it's not too shit. Okay, so at least the video will just be here, just play it type stuff. So it's coming out nicely. Yeah, I'm still going to change the logo. So I will get images, like more snapshots from the app. But I think I can put okay, yeah, I think I need to create like GIFs and stuff. So I think I would still put in like in others. And then I'll just change the color to red. So I know it's important. So the major important things I want to try and do is first of all record the demo for the app, then also convert sections to GIFs. So many of these sections here I want them to be moving pictures, not just something that's just static and all. So yeah, makes sense, good to go. Just little reminders here and there. Still need to add some more stuff to this frequently add ask questions, but that's something I'll do off camera. I think I should turn off this stuff so at least the whole excited. Right. Okay. This time I will, but do I want to sprinkle the things across sections of the page, just slightly here and there. But so far so good. I need to take more sections here. So I'll take out these brand logos. The testimonial sections I would still leave it in there.